Our next speaker is Her Excellency Mrs. Noor Ashikin Mohammed Tayyib, Ambassador of Malaysia to Sweden. Please, Madam. The word is yours.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much for holding this webinar.
Okay, sorry, can you speak up a little bit?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, good morning, everybody, and thank you for convening this webinar. Well, all I want to say is that international cooperation is very important in combating this coronavirus. This is it's a global phenomenon. You know, we've seen nobody is back from this pandemic. And in terms of international cooperation, you know, this has been, we have seen a lot of, you know, initiatives and cooperation, as our ambassador from China said, that international cooperation between countries at the multilateral level, bilateral level, you know, this is a very important time for us to work together. In terms of bilateral relations with China, in terms of cooperation on this COVID-19, we would, you know, Malaysia thanks China very much. We have received a lot of cooperation, a lot of assistance. We have received medical equipment, and just last week we had a panel of experts from China coming to share their experiences with our experts in Malaysia. We have to, the approach towards the COVID-19, you know, must be based on science, and we have experts working on this, and this is where bilateral cooperation is very, very important, together with our cooperation at the multilateral level. We cannot, you know, for a country like Malaysia, I mean, we have been able to manage this pandemic quite well, I must say. We have about, as of yesterday, about 5,850 cases, about 100 deaths. And we have benefited, you know, a lot from cooperation with other countries like China. So I think, in facing this pandemic, which is you know, we need to work together. It's time for cooperation and definitely not competition. You know, we look forward to work together with all countries in the world to curb this pandemic. The most important, we have a lot of, it's important to share experiences. In Malaysia, we have had, you know, daily updates from our experts. We are also very heartened to see there's a lot of cooperation in terms of, you know, finding the cures, the kind of treatment that can be used to battle this coronavirus. I mean, there's a lot of things that we don't know yet, and you know, the experts are trying to find ways to develop treatments and the vaccines. And I mean, this is our, you know, we will be settled with this virus for the next until we find a vaccine, actually. So the earliest, you know, the experts are saying is between 12 to 18 months. So that is, we're talking about end of 2021. So international cooperation is all the more important in order to find a way to navigate ourselves and to mitigate, you know, the losses. But, you know, there's a lot of challenges, but there's also a lot of opportunities for us to work, especially in terms of healthcare. I think we have to look forward and find ways on how to get through this as a community, a global community. Thank you.
Thank you very